Hello everyone. Uh, Hello everyone. So this session we jump out of the what we talked about before. We talk about the conic section, right? So since conic section, every conic section like circle, like parabola, they have equations, right? So now we go to the next chapter of how to solve this kind of equation. But first of all, let's recall the linear equation. Those we are going to solve, like conic or something, they are called non-linear, right? Because their graph is not linear, right? So let's recall what we learned how to solve linear equation is based on the three way. One is substitution, elimination, and graphical, right? Um, First, I want to say for graphical is very useful, but if in case the equation is the solution is decimal, it's very hard for you to guess based on the graph, right? Give example, if finally the solution, you look at here, finally the solution, the intersection are like a 2.33. You cannot identify just by what you are graphing, right? But you can identify the closely, right? So that's what I'm saying. If it is exactly the solution, the result is exactly a number, that's no problem. It's definitely very clear. But if it is no, so there will be a problem. Okay, so it's better use the substitution and elimination, but use graph as a kind of assistance, okay, or auxiliary. Okay, so aside from that, I have another uh, note for this one. For if we have only one unknown item like x, only have x, we just need one equation, right? If we have two unknown item x and y, we need two equation. If we have three unknown item, we need three equation, right? So same, and as when you have more, you need the same equivalent number of the equation. So for this session, we only solve the two. Of course, if you tell me why don't solve three, I can say two is more easy. That's right, but the way are same. So because we are not really focused on solving linear equation, because that should be the past learning. This just want to recall your memory about that. Okay, so let's see first one. In fact, I already draw the graphical. For this one, we have another two ways: substitution and elimination. So for this two equation, I will use the substitution. Substitution, which means you first find x, right, and the take place this x equals to into another function, sorry, another equation to solve it. So how do you do that? So we can see here is already equation 1, equation 2, right? Alright, equation 1, equation 2. So very simply based on equation 2, so x equals to 4 minus 2y, right? So what we're doing is take the x equals to 4 minus 2y into the function 1. So x equals to 4 minus 2y, then minus 2y equals to 6, right? So it equals 12 minus 6y minus 2y. So this is 8y, right? So equals to 6, right? So what? So 8y equals to what? 6, right? So y equals to 8 over 6. 8 over 6 is sorry, 6 over 8. So it's 3 over 4, right? 3 over 4 is equals to 0.75. Let's see the y piece here. Yeah, that's right. So if you know y, definitely you know what is x. You can take the y into any of the equation. Just to give example, I give you take the equation of 2. Okay, so x plus 2 times what? 3 over 4 equals to 4. So x equals to 4 minus, what's that? 3 over 2, right? Minus 3 over 2, so equals to 2.5. Let's see if that x is going to, yes, exactly, right? So now we use the substitution. Now we go to exercises. I also draw the graph already, so you know what this looks like, right? So this we use the elimination way. Okay, how to do that? We comparing with this is the equation. We can see equation 1 if times 2, the same coefficient of y, so we can eliminate y, right? So equation 1 times 2, so equals to 10x plus 2y equals to 16. Okay, so what are we doing? We just make this a 3 equation. So what are doing? We are doing like a 3 equation minus 2 equation. So it's over 10x minus 6x is 4x. 2y minus 2y is eliminated. And the right side is 16 minus 6 is 10. So x equal to 10 over 4 as 5 over 2 is 2.5. Let's see if it is. Yeah, 2.5. If we know x, definitely we will know y. So we take x into the function 1. So 5 times 2.5 plus y equals to 8. So y equals to 8 minus this is what? It's 12.5. So equals to negative 4.5. So y is negative, so it's below 4.5. Exactly right, right? Okay. Let's see. Next one. We still have. Okay. So for this one, it's a little hard because we are not so easy to eliminate them. So what we can do that is we can equation 1 times 4, equation 2 times 3. Am I right? So this is what will be times 4 is 20x plus 12y equals 36, and times 3 of the equation 2 is 9x plus 12y equals to 36. Okay, so this equation we make that of 3 and 4. For this one, it's quite simple because we just observe this one. The right side, 12y, 12y, 36, 36 are same, but the left side are different. But they are equal. So how can that be? Only one condition is x equal to 0, right? Because whatever your coefficient is, if it is 0, they don't affect anything, right? So let's see is that, yes, x equal to 0. So we can find x equal to 0. Of course, you can solve that. There's no issue. You still can find that x equal to 0. So if your x is 0, so let's just go to the equation 4. So 0 plus 12y, so equals to 36. So y equals to 36 over 12. Y equals 3. Right, right? Okay, so that's the last one. So last one, okay. I think we can use the same way, but let me just use the elimination. Wait. Yeah, let's just use let's just use substitution. Okay, so let's substitute y. So for the equation 1, 2, so equation 3y equals to 9. No, 3y equals to negative 9 plus 5x. Right, so y equals to 5x minus 9 divided by 3. So take this into the function 2. So 3x minus 4. 4 times what? 5x minus 9 divided by 3 equals to 12. Right? So let me check. So this is a 3y. 3y equals 5x minus 9. Yes, right. So y equals to 5x minus 9 divided by 3. Right. So 3x minus 4 times y equals 5x minus 9 over 3 equals 12. Yeah, totally right. So we have to be times 3 on both sides on the equation. We made this as equation 3. Okay. So this will be what? 9x minus what? This is a 4. This is 20. 4 times 5, 20x. Negative positive, right? So it's 4, 9. 36 equals to 33 minus 12 is 36, right? So this can be cancelled, right? So x should be 0, right? If x is not 0, this is no answer. Let's see if x, yes, x equals 0. So, okay, so if x equal to 0, we take to the equation 1. So negative 3y equals to 9, y equals to negative 3. Exactly, beautiful, right? So negative 3, exactly, beautiful. So thank you very much for recording this session. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.